Hey guys, my name is Victor and I'm one of the team members here at Pop On Veneers. I just want to show you what 100% custom made really means. Here we have an impression of her teeth. You can see all the teeth and the gum line. And then from that we make a mold. This is the mold of her lower teeth. You can see missing teeth, really small teeth in the front, and misaligned teeth. From that, we fix all these issues with another mode. We give her back teeth, realign her front teeth, and we make a veneer out of that. Now the veneer should fit her old teeth, and we just pop them on. You should hear the click. There we go. And then you have 100% custom made beautiful smile. Pop on your smile with Pop On Veneers. Have a good day, guys.